us know if you pack up or stop.
Yeah, we'll do. Yeah.
Or any problems.
Yeah, we'll do.
What, you got a minute or something?
No, I've got 10:05 on my phone.
Oh, off you go then.
Nearly, yeah. So.
Yeah. Take a picture of the garage when you stop and when you leave, and
yeah.
when you get back in.
Yeah, we'll do.
See, you've done the best then.
Yeah. All right. Lovely old job. Cool. Cheers. Thanks, Paul. Oh, so the problems to do. Straight onto the tree. See a park there. There it is. Lovely. I cannot see anything else glasses. What to do? Really? Oh, look at this. Yay! Lovely, lovely. Oh. Definitely straight on it. Not good to see anywhere else go. Little rutty. This is nice. It's fun. Oh. Really got a lot of front end feel there. Warning, deep ruts. Uh-oh. See what we've got here then, so. On neutral, that's what we've got. Oh. That wasn't very nice. Oh yeah. That's quite deep. Ooh, yeah, booga. 9653, go right, 9654, lovely. It works. bye. So, really enjoyable day, even though the rain was a bit of a pain on the tablet, on the screen. And I couldn't see where I was going because I'd rained on my glasses. Although I thought I was going to be in last place, and it's not a race. I actually think I've finished sort of like about third, so better than I expected. It was really good fun. Didn't fall off, didn't break anything. Had a laugh. Found a decent motorbike workshop, sales place, and they've got a really nice ZX6R in there for £1,495 for a track bike, which would potentially be my little winter bike. So I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, a big thanks to Paul for organising this. Really enjoyable, and I'll look forward to the next one. I might even buy some fancy tablet things for my hand as well to make it a